Hi, good morning. This is Kelley from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about this month's Knit Club project. It's called the Take a Dip Set. With Take a Dip Set, you get to learn how to make a nice big wide comfortable headband and fingerless mitts, and here they are here. You are making these with a traditional thumb gusset, and this dip stitch that you learn is similar to it's knitting into a stitch that has already been knit, and we talk about it in detail on our videos so you learn how to do it. The yarn that we're using today is called by Cascade Yarn Company, and it's called Eco Plus. It's Peruvian Highland wool 100%, and it has a whopping 473 yards and uses a needle number 9 or 10 depending on what you're looking for. And we have included stitch markers. These are called the rainbow stitch markers, and they're the large size, and it will help you mark the beginning of the round as well as pattern repeats so that you can be more successful in your project. The cast on involves a cable cast on with a knit in pattern bind off, and we talk about all of our skills that we learn on our video, so don't forget to check those out as we go along. So I hope you enjoy the Take a Dip Set, and we will have plenty of leftover yarn. If you want to make 2 sets, you probably have enough yarn to do that, or you could make leg warmers or another project to complement the set you've already done. So enjoy this set, and we will see you next month.